Violent criminal charges in North Carolina are serious business. If you get charged with a violent crime, you need to be very, very careful about who you talk to, any text messages you send, anything you post online, going out denying things to other people, saying anything. It can and many times will be used against you. It can be spun all sorts of ways. Worst people that you can talk to about it are law enforcement officers. Why? Because they're trying to make a case against you in many instances. The best person you can talk to is somebody like me, someone who's been practicing law for 30 plus years, who's tried out these cases for 3 decades. I'm happy always to talk to people about it. And the first thing I say is, stop talking to anyone. Don't be texting the victim, sending emails, trying to make excuses. You need to speak with an attorney who can represent you, who is bound by the law to keep your confidence. Nobody else is. And don't forget, violent crimes, we save a lot of jail space to put violent criminals away. You need to be careful. If you've been charged with simple assault to murder or anything in between, stalking charges, assault and battery charges, assault by pointing a gun, you name it, all of these things can land you in serious trouble. And if you're convicted, besides the potential of jail time, probation, you're going to have a record that never, ever goes away. Who wants to hire anyone who's been convicted of a violent crime? I wouldn't. Most employers wouldn't. And when you start talking about trying to further your education, you're going to have to deal with getting a university or a college to let you in when you have a criminal record. So the best thing you can do, first, keep your mouth shut. Second, consult an attorney. Get help when you go to court. In fact, way before you go to court. If you suspect any charges are coming down, that's the minute you need to call someone. If you're sitting out there right now and have been charged and are worried and don't know what to expect, then you need to give me a call. I'm happy to speak with you, talk about the facts, see what kind of case we have. Be thinking about potential witnesses on your behalf. Think about the evidence that might be used against you. Are there photographs? Are there medical records? All sorts of things. Do you have alibi witnesses to be able to show that you were not around the person who's alleging these things? All of those things are important, and you need an attorney, first and foremost, who knows what he or she is doing, who has years, decades of experience, and is willing to fight for you, is willing to take your case to trial, not simply to try to work out some kind of plea. So again, I'm here. I'm always happy to talk to you. If you have questions, problems, concerns, all you got to do is reach out to me. I'll be happy to spend the time necessary, figure out what's going on, and help you put a plan together. Take care.